valley, rolling up the spine of the central United States. If a storm starts brewing here, trust me, you do not want to be caught in it. It gets scary, it gets intense. Death is a prominent figure in these types of situations. Welcome to the storm. Something's brewing out tonight. Welcome to the John storm chasing experience. Sounds like the sky is opening up. Ooh. 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 I need to go talk to a local. So I see you got an umbrella here. You ready for the storm?
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Oh. Get sketchy. Back to you. That's a cloud there. There. I don't know if it's looking. It's okay. It's about 10 minutes away from what I look on the radar. Kind of, you know, I'll look up for the tall metal parts. It's starting to rain. We have a couple, okay. Now it's really starting to rain. Oh! That was very loud. It's, okay, it's really getting wet now. Okay, I'm in the shelter.
Vlog update. I think it's raining. Winter died.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, you can't see me. I am the rain
Pick up the hail.
catcher.
Pick up the hail. Ooh. Wait. Don't fail at picking up the hail.
That's right.
The least.
Thor's gonna come in over there. Very much raining. It's getting pretty wet. It's getting real dark over there. It's ooh, there's more lightning. Yeah. Taking a shower. John Storm 2019 behind the scenes.
You guys see this? It's crazy.
Guys, the storm is happening.
He looks like, what's his name from Agent Cody Banks?
Frankie Muniz.
No, he looks like a 40-year-old Mexican.
They said there's circulation in the clouds. Might actually storm. So I'm going back to my friends to make sure, so they know I'm safe. These fools! Why are they getting? Oh, there they go. Vlog update. It is still storming. The rain has died down just a little bit. Whoa. Here we have clusters of storms. Every once in a while we see some lightning there and there. That's the epicenter there. Yeah, there's some lightning. Here's some locals in the rain. We're all gonna die of hypothermia. It's gonna be okay. The tower, built in the late 90s, has withstood storms. Crazy kids. Since the dawning of this building, and it's still okay. They're attacking me. Oh God. We're not going back out there. Look, you can see it. guess that's just Kansas weather for you. It is the beginning of summer in the middle of Kansas. Yeah. I mean, I'm okay with being inside for a bit. Now, in a storm situation like this one, it is imperative that you find shelter anywhere without anyone, just like a bathroom or a basement. You just gotta be safe. I'm in this one, staying safe. I suggest you all do the same. At this point, it looks pretty clear. Not too bad out there. That seems like actually you probably missed the bulk of it. And I don't know. Looks alright to me. Storms. Not too bad. No big deal. Storms. I did lie a little bit. It's getting a bit louder. The lightning's coming a bit back. Probably in the eye of the tornado at this point. So, you know, it's the eye wall. And then it gets stronger when you get back out there. So, you know. Watch me jump this sick puddle. Watch this. Perfect.